What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching I Guess Advisor, and today in this video we will be unboxing the Dizo Realme Bluetooth earphones. So these are the earphones that I have ordered from Flipkart. So prior to this I was using OnePlus Bullets version 2, but unfortunately they stopped working and I have to order this. So these are around a price of rupees 1000 rupees. The initial price was around 1200 rupees, but I got it for a discount of rupees 100 or 200 rupees, and this is the final price. As you can see, it says 999 rupees. So this is the box of the product itself. It's completely sealed and intact. So let's see around the box what all we have. So we have the picture of the product on the front, and on the top, as you can see, it says Dizo Wireless, and on the bottom it says Realme Tech Life. And on the other side we have the branding, and we have some specifications or the features like 11.2 mm drivers and 23 hours of playtime. It has quick charge with 3 hours of music with just 10 minutes of charge. We have low latency, Bluetooth 5.3, and noise cancellation for calls, which is very important if you are on bike and so on. So let's quickly cut the seal and see what all contents we have in the box other than the earphone. So as soon as you open the box, you have a couple of additional accessories with these. So you have a type A to type C charging cable. It's a very short charging cable, and you also have extra ear tips to change as per the requirement itself. So let's quickly remove the earphones out of the plastic box and see how all the quality of the earphone is. So they are nicely packed in this small plastic on the either side as well for protection. As you can see, it has Dizo branding. And on the other side we have the type C port for charging. We have the button for picking up and ending calls and volume up and down as well. And also the tip of this earphone, of course the earbuds are actually magnetic, so once you connect them they automatically disconnect from the phone, and once you when you take them apart it automatically connects to the phone. So again, for the price of 1000 rupees, this is really good. I mean, I would recommend you to buy this instead of buying some expensive 2000 rupees earphone, because anyways they seem to tear out after a year or so. So that's all for this unboxing. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and have a good day.